In the realm of emergency medical procedures, few are as simple, yet as profoundly impactful, as the Heimlich Maneuver. This life-saving technique, named after its developer, Dr. Henry Heimlich, has earned its place as an essential skill for everyone to learn. It empowers individuals to act decisively during choking emergencies, potentially making the difference between life and death. The Heimlich Maneuver is a series of abdominal thrusts applied to a choking individual. It works by increasing pressure in the abdomen, forcing air from the lungs upward. This burst of air can dislodge a foreign object obstructing the airway, allowing the person to breathe again. The beauty of the Heimlich Maneuver lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It requires no special equipment, no medical training, just the willingness to act swiftly and confidently. Anyone, regardless of age or physical strength, can learn and perform this life-saving technique. The ability to perform the Heimlich Maneuver transcends mere first aid knowledge. It's about embracing a sense of responsibility for the well-being of others. It's about being prepared to step in during a crisis and potentially save a life. The Heimlich Maneuver, first introduced to the world in 1974 by Dr. Henry Heimlich, emerged from a deep concern for the alarmingly high number of choking deaths at the time. Dr. Heimlich, a thoracic surgeon, recognized the urgency for a simple yet effective method to address this preventable cause of death. His research led him to experiment on dogs, simulating choking scenarios and testing various methods of airway clearance. The result was the now famous Heimlich Maneuver, a technique that involved a series of upward abdominal thrusts to expel foreign objects from the windpipe. The maneuver quickly gained recognition and was adopted by medical professionals and the public alike. Its efficacy in saving lives from choking emergencies solidified Dr. Heimlich's legacy as a medical innovator and a champion for public health. Today, the Heimlich Maneuver is credited with saving the lives of countless individuals worldwide, from choking victims in restaurants to parents who have used it to save their children. It stands as a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring impact of one man's dedication to preserving life. Choking occurs when a foreign object becomes lodged in the trachea, blocking airflow to the lungs. This is a life-threatening situation that requires immediate action. Recognizing the signs of choking is crucial in providing timely assistance. A choking person will typically clutch their throat with one or both hands, a universal sign of choking. Other signs include difficulty breathing, inability to speak, noisy breathing with high-pitched sounds, skin turning blue, and eventual loss of consciousness. If you witness someone exhibiting these signs, it's vital to act quickly and decisively. Time is of the essence in choking emergencies, and every second counts. Do not hesitate to intervene. Your actions could be the difference between life and death. Remember, even if you're unsure whether the person is truly choking, it's always better to err on the side of caution. The Heimlich Maneuver, when performed correctly, is a safe and effective technique, even if the person turns out not to be choking. Performing the Heimlich Maneuver on an adult requires a combination of swift action and proper technique. Here's a step-by-step guide to follow. Step 1. Assess the situation. Ensure the person is truly choking by asking, "Are you choking?" If they can speak or cough forcefully, encourage them to cough. If not, proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Position yourself. Stand behind the choking person with your feet shoulder-width apart. Wrap your arms around their waist, ensuring a firm grip. Step 3. Locate the navel. Find the person's navel or belly button with your index finger. Step 4. Make a fist and place it. Make a fist with your other hand and place the thumb side of your fist slightly above the navel and well below the breastbone. Step 5. Grasp your fist. Grasp your fist with your other hand, keeping your elbows out. Step 6. Deliver upward thrusts. Deliver quick inward and upward thrusts into the person's abdomen as if trying to lift them up. Step 7. Continue thrusts. Continue thrusts until the object is dislodged or the person becomes unconscious. Step 8. If unconscious, lower them to the ground. If the person becomes unconscious, carefully lower them to the ground and begin CPR. Section 5. Adapting the technique, the Heimlich Maneuver for children and infants. While the basic principles of the Heimlich Maneuver remain consistent, the technique requires modification when applied to children and infants. These adaptations account for differences in body size and strength. 1. Position yourself at the child's back, kneeling if necessary to be at their level. 2. Proceed with the same abdominal thrusts as for adults but with less force. 1. Position the infant face down on your forearm, supporting their head and chin with your hand. Rest your forearm on your thigh for stability. 2. Deliver 5 back blows between the infant's shoulder blades with the heel of your hand. 3. Turn the infant face up on your other forearm, supporting their head. 4. Place 2 fingers in the center of the infant's chest, just below the nipple line. Deliver 5 chest thrusts, compressing the chest about 1.5 inches. 5. Repeat back blows and chest thrusts until the object is dislodged or the infant becomes unresponsive. Section 6. Self-rescue: what to do when alone. Choking incidents can occur when individuals are alone, making immediate assistance unavailable. In such situations, knowing how to perform the Heimlich maneuver on oneself is crucial. Self-Heimlich Maneuver 1. Make a fist with one hand, placing the thumb side slightly above your navel. 2. Grasp your fist with your other hand. 3. Quickly find a sturdy object like a countertop, chair back, or railing. 4. Bend over the object, pressing your upper abdomen against it. 5. Thrust upward and inward, repeating until the object is dislodged. Remember, time is of the essence. Act quickly and decisively. Section 7. Prevention is key: avoiding choking hazards. While knowing how to perform the Heimlich maneuver is essential, preventing choking incidents from occurring in the first place is equally crucial. By being mindful of common choking hazards and adopting simple preventive measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of choking, especially in children. Small, round foods like grapes, hot dogs, and candies. Toys with small parts. Coins, buttons, and other small objects. Balloons. Food that hasn't been chewed properly. Cut food into small pieces, especially for young children. Supervise children during mealtimes and playtime. Keep small objects out of reach. Encourage chewing food thoroughly before swallowing. Avoid talking or laughing while eating. By incorporating these preventive measures into our daily lives, we can create safer environments and minimize the risk of choking emergencies. Section 8. The importance of training and certification. While this essay provides a comprehensive guide to the Heimlich maneuver, it's essential to emphasize that nothing can replace proper training from a certified instructor. Hands-on training allows individuals to practice the technique in a controlled environment, receive feedback on their performance, and gain the confidence to act decisively during a real-life emergency. Numerous organizations offer Heimlich maneuver training and certification, including the American Red Cross, the American Heart Association, and the National Safety Council. These courses typically cover a range of first aid and CPR techniques, providing individuals with a comprehensive skill set to handle various emergencies. Investing in Heimlich maneuver training is an investment in your own safety and the well-being of those around you. It equips you with the knowledge and skills to make a life-saving difference when it matters most. Section 9. The Heimlich maneuver: a simple act, a powerful impact. The Heimlich maneuver stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the profound impact that a simple act can have on saving a life. In a matter of seconds, this technique can transform a life-threatening situation into a moment of relief and gratitude. Beyond its immediate life-saving potential, the Heimlich maneuver carries a deeper significance. It embodies a sense of community, a willingness to step in and help others in need. It empowers individuals to become active bystanders, not passive observers during emergencies. The knowledge and ability to perform the Heimlich maneuver transcend age, profession, or background. It's a universal skill that unites us in our shared humanity, reminding us that we all have the capacity to make a difference in the lives of others. Section 10. Be the difference. Empower yourself and others. Learning the Heimlich maneuver is not merely about acquiring a new skill. It's about embracing a responsibility to protect ourselves and those around us. It's about becoming equipped to handle emergencies with confidence and potentially save a life. Share this knowledge with your family, friends, and colleagues. Encourage them to learn the Heimlich maneuver and other life-saving techniques. By spreading awareness and promoting training, we can create a ripple effect of preparedness and empower our communities to respond effectively to emergencies. Remember, you don't have to be a medical professional to make a difference. The Heimlich maneuver is a skill accessible to everyone, and its impact can be immeasurable. Section 11. A call to action: learn, practice, and save lives. In the face of a choking emergency, every second counts. The Heimlich maneuver, with its simplicity and effectiveness, empowers individuals to act decisively and potentially save a life. It's a skill that transcends age, profession, and background, uniting us in our shared humanity and our capacity to make a difference. This is a call to action for everyone to learn, practice, and share the Heimlich Maneuver. Seek out training from certified instructors, practice the technique regularly, and spread awareness among your family, friends, and community. Let us embrace the responsibility to protect ourselves and those around us, becoming a network of empowered individuals equipped to handle emergencies with confidence and compassion. Together, we can make a difference, one life-saving act at a time.